Got to get something done around here. Got to make a video. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your guy, Easy E. And I'm trying to keep these videos rolling for y'all. Trying to find stuff to do with these cars. Like I said in the last video, I'm not trying to tear them all down. Trying to keep y'all, trying to make a video every Saturday. Because people always coming over, asking me to help them with their cars. And I'm still waiting for my stepson to get his paint for the Impala. So we start making some videos on that copart car. Because that's supposed to be given away to my granddaughter. So let's go see what I'm gonna get done today in this video, because I gotta start getting at least some of the interior done on the burn traverse, try to get it back in, since I got all the wiring harness back through, so I can get some of this stuff out of my garage and out of the parts car and get it back in that car, like the rear seats, the rear compartment, the trim pieces in the rear for the back hatch and the sides. Because I still got to get the fuel lines off, the AC lines, the heater core AC lines off that run to the back. But that won't be in this video. That'll be off camera, because I have to shift the whole car over so I can crawl up under it. It's not near the gate. That means I have to move the parts car. Got to get moved anyway once we start working on another car. But let's go see what's going on around here. So this is where I'm at. On this car, I don't know about the updates. I did move it away from the gate a little bit, so I better open that door. I vacuumed out. Got spiders and everything in here. Still gotta get the vents in the headliner and clean the headliner. I didn't do that, but those are my fingerprints. Those seats are in, but they're not bolted down, because I had to get those out the garage. Forgot for some reason I need some more space, so I just put them back in here, vacuumed it up, put it back in here. But now we gotta get all this rear end put back together. Getting some rust built up right there, but ain't no biggie, because I don't think we're gonna be selling this one. If we do, we're gonna let it go for cheap, but make sure she runs and drives good, because I can always patch that. Like, it's been getting water coming down somewhere back here. Oh, but outside like that too though, so ain't no biggie. Probably has been getting water, because haven't been able to close it. Everything electronic on this car. But here's most of my parts to the whole car. A lot of this stuff go in the front, some of this stuff go in the back. But I gotta start throwing some of these pieces back together. So let's get to work.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake
I am gonna say it is easier when you have another parts car right next to it. So if you can't find some nuts or bolts or whatever you might need, just take it off your parts car. Because I got these pieces to the burn traverse scattered everywhere. You'd think I would have put those bolts in the bag, but I put them in cup holders. Then you got to dig, find the cup holder. This is a mess I got out here. This is why I need a shop. Then I take bolts out. Then I find the bolts in the garage on the floor. But it's always nice to have a parts car. And I forgot to tell you at the beginning of this video, what was holding me back on putting the interior in was I needed some rivets to rivet those brackets back in. The one in the rear. I didn't do the one in the front yet. Right here. These gotta be riveted back into the floor. Part of the wiring harness. I didn't have long enough rivets. The rivets are like, I think I use a 3/16 by an inch or a half inch or 3/4 of an inch. I had to order those off Amazon. I kept forgetting about getting them. I was gonna get them from Menards, but then when I finally went to Menards and had them long enough ones, so I ended up ordering them. So now I got them in. Now I can put the back end back together because, like I said, the other one is up under here. It's all riveted, so I should be able to plug the wires underneath back in. And like I said, it's all good in the hood when you got a parts car. A lot of these, if people don't want to know, a lot of these nuts and bolts are 10s, 13s, and what? 15s. What I got here? 18s. So 10s, 13s, and 18s. And you got a T50 and a T40. Not forgetting what the T50 was for. T50 is for the seat belts. The T40 is for these hooks, which I took these off the parts car because I couldn't remember where I had the other ones, and I just finally found them. When I'm getting these seats out, everything covered in dust, it will get clean. But let the party continue. Got to get these 4 bolts in here. Get this back tray in here. Then we might call it a wrap for today because it's getting late. And I got videos to edit. I don't know if y'all that interested in the burn traverse. Getting all put back together. Still got to go get paint. So I can paint the engine bay. Like I said, I'm still waiting on people because I don't want to tear that engine out of that car, then to be sitting there. Yeah, I don't want to tear that engine out, then the car be sitting there, and I gotta cut it up into little bitty pieces. And I didn't get a thing to get the glass out. Might call a Safe Flight to come remove this glass, put a new one in. But that's why, like I said, that's the predicament I'm in right now with helping everybody else. They got bumpers over there, picnic table. Just got a lot of stuff going on. And I have to make a video every weekend, no matter how dull or boring the video may be, has to get done. And I try to get a lot of the boring stuff done off camera. Like I got some fire repair to get, some fire damage to repair on the dash. It's not, the dash ain't burnt, but one of the windshield wiper fluid lines that run to the back here is melted on that wiring harness. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna switch that hose out. Do I gotta cut all the tape off and redo the wiring harness? Don't know yet how I'm gonna do that. But I got another piece I can use. There's a lot going on. So let's get back to this dirty work I'm doing so I can go in the house and edit some videos so y'all have something to watch.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see.
And let's not forget some 15s. Didn't realize the seat ones were a 15. Unless you watch the video, me going to the junkyard. I might as well get all these tightened down. Okay, this one I don't really want to do the power. Got the powering up, do that one. I'll pull this back. Get the ones in the front. Whew, it's hot. I'm gonna get my bigger Ugga Dugga. I said that's a 15. That's the little bitty one ain't gonna do it. So I'm gonna need something a little bit more powerful. Cause this is a mess. Gotta get something done. Haha, now this has got the power. That the other one didn't have. Pull out that power, baby. Pull out the big ugga dugga. Ugga dugga. The big ugga dugga. Ugga dugga. Don't got that much room over here. Oh, squeeze in. Whew. Whew. Believe me, I had a Chevy Traverse, and I'm forgetting how to move the seats. Especially when I don't got that much room over here. I don't want that one. There we go. That's the one I want. Gotta get to the back ones. Woo! Gotta call that a wrap. I can throw the little bottom plastic pieces on off camera. Whew. Oh snap, got a bigger mess than I did before I started. Whew. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. We have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. And we take donations of cars locally only. Go follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and X. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!